Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to talk about my routine. So I wake up at 6 a.m. I drink a glass of water. I go running and I run for 1 hour. Then I cook my breakfast. I cook eggs and chocolate. After that, I watch TV. Then I go to the park and I read. I usually read 1 hour. Then I call to the restaurant and I order some pizza for lunch. In the afternoon, I work and I prepare everything I have to do for the next week. Then I usually call my best friend. And finally, I go to bed. So this is my routine. Thank you very much.